Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you as we explore the fascinating world of Chinese dim sum. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and discover some unknown facts about this delicious culinary tradition. Let's dive right in. Dim sum, a beloved Chinese cuisine, has been delighting food enthusiasts around the world for centuries. But did you know that there's much more to dim sum than meets the eye? Today, we're going to unravel some unknown facts about this culinary delight that will leave you amazed. Fact number 1, the origin of dim sum. Dim sum originated in ancient China during the Jin dynasty, around the 3rd century AD. It was initially created as a snack to accompany tea, making it the perfect companion for tea houses along the famous Silk Road. From its humble beginnings, dim sum has evolved into a diverse and intricate culinary tradition. Fact number 2, the meaning of dim sum. The term dim sum itself has an interesting meaning. In Cantonese, it translates to touch the heart, which perfectly captures the essence of this cuisine. Dim sum is not just about the taste but also about the experience of sharing these bite-sized delights with friends and family. Fact number 3, the dim sum trolley. When you think of dim sum, you might imagine the traditional trolleys or carts filled with steaming bamboo baskets. These trolleys have become an iconic symbol of dim sum restaurants. They serve as mobile showcases for the variety of dishes available, allowing diners to choose their favorites on the spot. Fact number 4, the art of dim sum making. Crafting dim sum is truly an art form. From the delicate folds of the dumplings to the precise timing required for steaming, every step requires skill and precision. It takes years of practice to master the techniques involved in creating these exquisite bite-sized treats. Fact number 5, the variety of dim sum. Dim sum is famous for its wide variety of dishes, ranging from steamed and fried dumplings to fluffy buns, crispy spring rolls, and so much more. There's a dim sum dish to suit every palate, whether you prefer seafood, meat, or vegetarian options. Fact number 6, the dim sum etiquette. When enjoying dim sum, it's essential to be aware of the traditional etiquette. For example, it's customary to serve the oldest or most respected person at the table first. Additionally, tea plays a vital role in the dim sum experience. If you want a refill, simply tap the lid of your teapot with 2 fingers to signal the waitstaff. Fact number 7, dim sum as a breakfast tradition. In many parts of China, dim sum is primarily consumed as a breakfast or brunch meal. Families and friends gather at tea houses to start their day with these flavorful treats, creating a lively and vibrant atmosphere. There you have it, folks. Dim sum is not only a delightful culinary experience but also a treasure trove of cultural significance. Next time you sit down to enjoy this delectable cuisine, remember the history, craftsmanship, and symbolism that make dim sum truly extraordinary. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more exciting food explorations, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And as always, stay hungry for knowledge.